Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost problem on your Samsung Galaxy A40. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case if you have one. Basically, whenever a screen protector is misaligned on both parts or both ends of the screen and is covering a tiny part even of the edge, then the ghost touches may start appearing. Now, for the case, if you have one, as you guys can see, I don't, but if you do have one, then what you guys can do is remove it if it covers even a tiny part of the bezel. So if it's covering the bezels and it's covering a tiny part of the screen, then it can already cause your screen to become either less responsive or basically just unavailable because there will be ghost touches. Now, what you guys can do next is clean the screen to remove any debris, moisture, or fingerprints. So, how to easily do that? Grab a microfiber cloth. I got one right here. Now, give your screen a couple of swipes. So, 3 swipes or 4 are definitely enough to clean your screen. Now, what you guys can do next, as a last resort, is check for the software updates. So, let's unlock the phone, let's head over to the settings, and in those settings, you need to scroll all the way down until you see software update. Now click here and go to download and install. It will check for updates automatically, you just need stable Wi-Fi connection, and as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because you need to keep up with the latest version of your software. And by updating your software, you basically erase glitches that were on the previous version. So, that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.